Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at the best thin cases for the Huawei P30 Pro. With our phones becoming more and more sleek, it makes sense to want to preserve this as much as possible, and with our lineup today you can do exactly this while offering great protection for your phone. Starting off our lineup, we have the MeshTex case from Olixar. One with an interesting design, this offers protection from bumps, knocks and scratches. When snapped onto the P30 Pro, I immediately noticed a better grip. It doesn't add any unnecessary bulk and fits perfectly in your pocket. I think this is fantastic as you can enjoy the P30 Pro's sleek nature while offering light protection. Speaking of protection, this handles bumps, knocks and scuffs from day-to-day use very well, keeping your phone in mint condition. With holes cut into the design, you not only get an interesting look for your phone, you also keep it running at its best. These holes help to dissipate any heat emitting from the P30 Pro, keeping it cool and optimising performance. Definitely a great choice, the MeshTex subtle design looks fantastic and lets you get the most out of your phone while keeping it safe from harm. Next up, we have the Pure Clear case from Tech21. Quite possibly the most rugged case in our lineup, this offers superb protection from drops and knocks. When in the hand, this feels like a solid option. It can definitely handle a drop or two while also letting the P30 Pro's sleek design shine through. I like the tough bumper and raised lip as they keep the phone safe in all scenarios. While this does offer outstanding protection, it's still an incredibly slim case, which was quite surprising. I found it doesn't add too much bulk, giving you the ultimate smartphone experience. Easily one to consider, this ticks all of the boxes in terms of design and protection. It maintains the slim profile of the P30 Pro while showing off its stunning design through the clear back. Moving on now to the soft silicone case from Olixar. Available in a variety of colours, this is sure to make the P30 Pro pop with its vibrant design. Made with an anti-slip coating, this keeps your phone in place and also provides a little extra grip in the hand. Protection wise, this is a fantastic case. The tough bumper holds up well to knocks and drops while the raised lip prevents screen scratches. This offers a lot in terms of protection, but I found it doesn't add unnecessary bulk to the P30 Pro. It fits perfectly in your pocket and doesn't get in the way. Certainly a solid choice for the P30 Pro, this will keep your phone in top condition while looking great no matter where you go. Up next, we have the official grey textured case from Huawei. A fantastic option offering great protection with a fashionable touch, this maintained the P30 Pro's premium look while minimising damage. Thanks to its slim profile, you can enjoy using your phone exactly how Huawei intended, with easy access to all of its features. The grey textured design is on trend, making your phone look great in every social setting. While this is a thin case, the bumper and raised lip handle bumps, knocks and scratches very well, keeping your P30 Pro in mint condition. Definitely a great choice, the official nature adds to the premium look and feel of the phone, while the slim design lets you get the most out of your P30 Pro. Finishing up our lineup, we have the No3 Case from FortyFour. A sleek and minimalistic addition, this preserves the P30 Pro's slim nature. I found that some of the edges of the phone are quite exposed with this case, which would be a potential risk if you were to drop the phone. However, if you're looking for basic protection, this is a fantastic option. This feels like a solid option and is a great addition to the P30 Pro. The super slim design doesn't take anything away from your phone and fits in your pocket with no issues. I found that once it was on for a while, I forgot it was there, which is exactly what you want from a phone case. A perfect addition to the P30 Pro, the No3 Case ensures your phone stays in great condition while allowing you to enjoy its slim profile. We tested each case with wireless charging, and as expected, the P30 Pro charged flawlessly every time. This is fantastic as you can charge in the most hassle-free way imaginable without removing the case. That's all we have for our look into the best thin cases for Huawei's P30 Pro. Let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to purchase any of the cases featured in our lineup, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.